So this is how to build a file, a lower-third file. So when you finish creating your presentation and your show, let's use this show for example. Click on edit. So in edit, you create a new slide. So this is your new slide. Your new slide. So this is your new slide. So in this our new slide, we say let's bring in our lower third. So we have already designed the lower third in Corridor or any place that you design it as it's a PNG file. I thought how to build it with Corridor with a design file. Just create a PNG and now maybe animate it, animate a transition to it to give it a motion effect. So you go over to where it is saved. Your design is saved. Click on it and press open. So it brings in your lower third. You set your lower third. You set it in the place you want it to be in the position you want it to be in. And this is your text. Maybe you build that same text you want to build. Let me say pastor, 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 Nduka. Okay. So here you experiment on these places. There is a font size. You still auto size and shrink to fit or grow to fit. So depending, so you experiment on this and see what it does. So when you're done, you work on your text box. You can move over to the item if you want to affect the whole thing. Move over to items to add more. Move over to text box here to control the text. So when I'm done, you can build it depending on how you can create, you can duplicate, you can right click on it and duplicate this text and maybe call it moderator. Call it moderator and reduce the size. Rearrange it, move to back. So this is your final, the way it looks like. So when you're done, you can actually build the transitions here. Click on transition, right click on it and click on transition. Okay, so let's say slide. Let's do slide. So let's do linear slide. And maybe you can do the same for, they are still building a FreeShow. I believe that very soon more options in transitions will come in. More options in transition will come in, so that even in template building, so that we can be able to do things that we want to do, some settings that we would really want to do. So let's just see what we have here. So when you are done building the transitions, you go over to show. So in show, you click on the slide and see the preview. So this is how it comes in. All of them slides in. If you not see it again, they come in like this. So you can experiment on the feature. You can experiment on the transitions and see what it does for you. You can say no transition. You can click on it. You see what it does. No transition for all of them. You've just upgraded your production skill. Stay tuned for the next tutorial.